Hello everyone, welcome to Eka's Cloud. In this video, I am going to show you how to create an external NIC and a public IP address. So why do we need to create a external NIC card? So in search bar, search for the command ncpa.cp. So this is the NIC card we are connecting through to all the to the internet network, and here I'm going to disable this. So once I disable this NIC card, the connection will be get disconnected. So you can see now. See, the connection is been disconnected. So for in this case, what we have to do is we have to create one new NIC card, and we have to create a public IP for that NIC card, and we have to associate that public IP NIC to that public IP. So in this video I will show you how to create a network interface card, that is NIC card. So just click on create. Here select the resource group you need and give any name to your NIC card. I am giving it as external NIC card, and selecting the region to be in East US, and the VNet it must be in my VNet only, and subnet also, and I'm going to give static IP address and static IP address, it is going to be 10 dot. So it is in private public subnet, right? I have to give 0.1 0. Yes, so this is the private IP address. I'm not going to use any IPv6, and go to tags, next review plus create. Yes, my NIC card is been created. Now I'm going to go inside the NIC card. Before that, you see, it will not have any public IP address. See, public IP address, only it have private IP address. So we have to create one new public IP and associate that public IP to this NIC. So go to create a new public IP address, and I'm going to select it as basic public IP and IPv4, and giving name as external IP, and it is going to be static IP, and select the resource group. I'm selecting it, and select the region. I'm selecting East US, and just click on create. So once it is been created, we have to associate this public IP to the NIC card. Yes, the NIC card, public IP is being created. Now go to configuration. See, it is not being created to anything, and go to overview, associate, click on associate. Resource type, you are going to associate with the NIC card. So select the NIC card and external NIC and click OK. So this is how you have to create external NIC card and the public IP and